This is the plaintiff, Marion Walker. She says she bought some furniture from the defendant's store and arrived with a huge defect. The sideways talking defendant's been giving her the runaround the last 2 months, and she's had it. She no longer trusts the guy, wants her money returned, and can't seem to get any justice on her own, so she's suing for the return of her $2,025. This is the defendant, John Kajoa. He says he's been in business 15 years and has dealt with loud and obnoxious customers like the plaintiff before. He's tried to placate this woman, has tried to explain the furniture isn't broken, but designed this way, and is willing to offer her a discount as a peace offering. But nothing's worked, so now it's up to the judge. He's accused of selling inferior furniture.
Okay, Marion Walker, you are suing John Kujua, doing business as Affordable Furniture?
Yes.
Correct? Okay, for $2,025, a cost of a dining room set that you bought from him that you say is defective and they won't accept back. Tell me what's going on.
I bought a dining room set from John, and after we had put the dining room set up and seen it, the doors, we found out, would not close as they were supposed to be closed.
Meaning what?
They have gaps in them. The dining room set doors have gaps in them. They don't.
You mean a hutch?
The hutch.
Okay.
Right.
Do you have pictures of what you're talking about?
Yes, I do.
May I see it? Now, was he there setting it up, or
He was there.
Oh, you were actually physically there.
He
Okay.
was at the house.
So he agreed with you there.
Right.
You're
He
saying.
saw it.
Okay. Okay. I don't see a picture of the gap. Where's the gap?
It's down at the bottom and round
Okay.
the door.
I'm sorry. I'm going to need you to come over here and point to me what you're talking about. Okay. Show me the gap.
Right here, you see how the doors go down? They don't close like they're supposed to close. And up here, right here, these doors do not, the picture's not.
That picture doesn't show. It's not that I'm missing. It's that picture
Right,
doesn't show.
right,
What does
okay.
this picture show? It shows the
This
door
show-
too forward?
Right, the doors, when you close the door, it drags, it should close.
Oh,
And
so
when
it's
the
not,
door-
wait. So it's not that there's a gap. It's that there's not a gap. Are you saying
At
it's
the bottom, no, up the top. The
the
doors
top
are
there's
set
too big a
down.
gap
At
and
the
on
top,
and
but
the
at
bottom. So are
is
the
dragged.
hinges in the wrong place? Is that what it is?
I don't know
He's
what it is.
nodding. Whoa,
Yes.
he just helped you out. He said yes. All right. So the thing won't close right. All right, I got you. Go ahead and go back.
Thank you.
All right, what's going on?
So is she entitled to a refund, or can this dude try to fix it? What do you think?
No, he should have a chance to fix it.
Really?
Definitely.
Well, she's saying I wanted new stuff. What do you think?
She should be able to have it fixed. I mean, or have it returned
And get a refund, even if he can fix it. Yeah, going inside the courtroom.
When we set that up, we took it out of the box. We set up the table, the chairs, and the hutch. And there's a server underneath the hutch. And once we took it out of the box, there was this gap up top. But the problem from the manufacturer was that all the ones that came over to the United States were all the same, unfortunately. So this is why they came back with this email and says, we will give her a check for $188.70 to make amends for this problem.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Watch this. Do you want $188?
No, I don't.
Hey, they got a lot of nerve thinking she's going to take $188 and ride off into the sunset. Why would they think that a woman who buys a woman or a man? I'm sorry, but who buys a brand new bedroom, a brand new dining room set, who wants everything to look beautiful, is going to put up with a $2,000 set with doors that won't close? Why would anybody think that? Them or you? Why would anybody think that? Did you ever offer her the $188?
No, because what happened is that I got the email from the manufacturer, and the same day I got a summons from the
Now,
court.
you'd be getting that summons faster than that from me if it was me. Come on,
So that they
seriously, what's your
actually came the
defense?
same day.
Okay, so what is your defense? I'm sorry,
Well, we actually, unfortunately, we got rid of all the cardboard. These are big, huge boxes.
Who got rid of it?
I
He
did.
did.
I did. All right.
And-
But Your Honor.
Wait. Do you think you got to say something?
Yes.
Really?
No.
No. Go ahead.
So we got
Go
rid
ahead.
of all the cardboard, okay? So even if I tried to return it back, there was no cardboard to return
Whose
it
problem is that?
back. I guess that's mine, but...
Yeah. Okay, next issue.
So we can't return it because there's no
I
cardboard to
guess in the
return.
future, you should keep the cardboard, right?
Well, it was,
What
was
makes
a lot
you
of
think,
cardboard.
seriously, kidding aside, what makes you think that this is a problem that she has to eat? She's the end consumer who got a defective good, and you have to make good on that product. You know, you can't say to her, "Oh, take $188," and then she's got to take it because, hey, my contract says no refunds.
Well,
no refunds if you abide by the contract, but if you breach it by giving her defective goods, that she doesn't, then she's entitled to.
Actually, Your Honor, the 95% or 98% of that product is very, very good. I mean, it's excellent product. The table's good. The chairs are good. There is one problem with that hutch, but the rest of it is fine. This is why they gave that $188.70 back.
Here's the problem with that. Are you married?
Yes.
Okay. Do you think, for one cotton picking second, that your wife is going to buy $2,000 worth of a set that matches, and one part of it isn't going to work, and she's going to say, "I'll just eat the rest of it and put a mismatched thing"? Or just eat the defect? No, you're not looking at me. I want you to look at me when you answer, because I'm going to call your wife after you answer.
We have a set that came 2-3 years ago. Wasn't from Coaster, was from another company. And I have pictures of it. And 2 of the chairs had a gap in it, and 2 of the chairs had a small gap.
You have a picture of your own defective furniture that you put up with?
Yes.
Why did you bring it to court? To convince me that she should put up with it?
Well, we got money back from the company, and she was satisfied with that.
And that's an option. And she might be, there may be a situation where there's a small defect and someone looks and says, "You know what, I'll take your offer. I'll settle this for $188," but that's up to her. That's not up to you or the company that ships it to you or that sells it to you. That's up to her. She doesn't want it. Okay? Now, did he ever come and try to fix the doors, move the hinges?
No, he wanted to, that's what I was getting to. What he wanted to do was, he wanted to fix the doors for me.
Okay.
I told him I did not want him to fix something. If it was a secondhand stuff or I had bought it from a garage sale under those conditions and we tampered with it, that was fine. I bought this spanking brand new, and I spent my money, which was real good money. I didn't give him penny and money. The money wasn't from England or no place. My money was from the United States.
Good old American money.
Right. So if my money was fair and I gave you what you wanted, you didn't ask me for half your money back. I didn't when it came or nothing like this. So if I did my part, I expect you to hold up to the end of your bargain. You understand
girl.
what I'm saying?
Okay, we're good. It's just like the lady says. Her money was green, and her money was good, and she wants her money's worth, and she doesn't want to settle for $188, and she doesn't have to. Because you guys have a contract, and she held up her end of the bargain, and she gave you all the money, and now she wants a non-defective product, and that's what she's entitled to. All right, I order that you return the lady's money, the full $2,025 plus her court costs in filing the case to be able to get that $2,025. And the responsibility of removing that furniture from that home and taking it back is going to be on you. That's my verdict. Good luck, folks.
Hold on right there.
Well, the lady's going to get what she paid for. Step on in here. You're the defendant. You lost this case. What's going through your mind as you come out here?
Well, we will have to take it back, and then we have to resell it.
All right. And next time something like this happens and a customer complains about the same kind of a thing, what are you going to do then?
I usually try to solve the problem in the future. So.
Didn't work this time. You ran into the wrong plaintiff there.
Okay.
All right. Right down this way, okay? All right. So come on in here.
How you doing?
Oh, you're finally smiling now. All right. Come on over here. Step in a little closer. So you satisfied how the case comes out here?
Yes, I am. The only thing he's need to do is pay for my carpet because he tore my carpet up also, and I am very satisfied with it. And now he'll be a better businessman.
You taught him a lesson, didn't you?
Right.
Well, you going to sue him over the carpet next?
Yes, I am. I am suing for my carpet because it damaged my carpet because of the stuff sitting there so long until he damaged my
She's
carpet.
tough, isn't she?
Yes, he does.
All right, over to Harvey.
Okay, there's a legal term for this. It's called a warranty of merchantability, which means that it has to be fit for ordinary purposes. If the doors don't shut on the dining room set, bottom line is it's breaching the warranty and she's entitled to a refund.